Okay, I want to believe that the wait period is over. So now I'm going to log in again with my credentials, copy my registration number. Yeah, I want to check if the election is now active so that I can cast my votes. Then the password, I'll log in. Now you can now see the election is now active. NUESA 2025-2026 elections. So voting in progress. And this election is going to end by May 30th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Okay, that is the demo, not the actual election, the tomorrow's election. This is just a demo, just for the purpose of training. Now you can now see here I have president. This person is contesting. James John Abuchi. Okay, this is his manifesto. Okay, this is his platform. Okay, I can vote for John, James, or vote for John. These are two presidential candidates. You can only vote for one person. You cannot vote twice. And once you click on this button, you have voted. You are not voting again. Once you click on this button, you have voted for one of these two presidential candidates. Now, the vice president here, I have only one person contesting for vice president, Jane Chika. I can vote. I have this person, Secretary General, only Mwabeze Hillary, contesting as for the post of Secretary General. So I can vote. Now it is time for me to vote. I will have to vote because our election will end by 11 a.m. So I will do fast, vote, even though 11 a.m. is still far. But because I've logged in here and because of this tutorial, I'm going to vote now. So I will vote for the first person as the president. So I will click. Then you have a dialog box that is asking you, are you sure you want to vote for John James Abuchi? Once you click OK, that's all. You have actually voted for a president. And who you voted for is John James Abuchi. So you can now see, I cannot vote here again. I move to the next person. This person is the only person contesting, Jane Chika, as the vice president. So I will vote James. I'll go ahead and vote for the Secretary General, Mwabweze. Votes. And that's all. I have voted. And that is all. That is all. If you want, you can go to the view results, then select the election, and boom, you have this. Total votes cast. We have 3. You voted for president, you voted for the vice president, and you voted for the Secretary General. We have 6 registered students on the platform, and this is the participation rate, the percentage of participation. So out of 6, one person has voted, and he casted 3 votes. So this is our percentage calculated. Now this is the result. For president, John James Abuchi scored 1. John Joe Deo scored 0. Vice President Cheka 1, percentage 100. Secretary General Mwabweze 1, percentage 100. And this is what you will see when others or when the election has ended. It will keep on accumulating until everybody or most of the registered or the accredited voters have finished voting. So that is all. You can play around here, change your password, log out, log in again following the same link, or you can as well move back to your dashboard. But once you get to your dashboard, you cannot vote again because you have already voted. I think this helps. If you have any problem, just go to this page down. You will see my email. send me an email or give me a phone call. Don't call me to rig elections for you because we don't do that. Thank you very much for that. I will see you guys.